All right, guys, so in this video, I'm just gonna go over basically how the rough country level kit or 2 to 2.5 inch lift kit has been on this Tahoe since I've had it. I bought the Tahoe in 2015. A week later, I put this lift kit on, and so far, I mean, over the years, there's been no issues. So real fast, I'm gonna show you a picture of the kit I got. All right, so yeah, in that kit, you'll see it comes with the front keys. It comes with the shocks, all four, all the way around. And then it comes with also the rear spring spacers. So, you know, I get a lot of questions about this kit and how it is on this Tahoe and if there's any rubbing. So here's the front real fast. You see how much room is there? These are 33s, 12.5s. So there's quite a bit of room in the front. The rear, same way, there's no issues in the rear. Yeah, so a lot of people ask about what you can and can't fit under here. So before I had 33s, I had 35s, or 34 point something. And I did have rub, and that was with this kit. I didn't want to crank up the torsion bars anymore or anything. I just basically made it level. So where it did rub is actually right here on the front of this. And then you'll see like this plastic, it used to have a piece that hung a little farther down, just a little bit. And when you would turn the wheel at full lock, like basically turn it in, it would rub, it would catch there. So with 33s, I don't have that issue anymore. So 33s to me, they ride better. These tires are very smooth too. But 33s feel better. It doesn't eat as much power. The 5.3 likes to stay in high RPMs when you're towing, especially when you hit up hills and stuff like that. And that was one of the main reasons I got this kit. So I got this kit because I was towing a 25-foot travel trailer at the time. I didn't want to go too high, and I didn't want to have some kind of kit on here to where it squatted a lot, and you know the front end was in the sky. So that's actually the reason I got this kit. So this with this kit, it's about what, 6 years old now, and it's still got the same shocks. The ones I replaced when I bought this Tahoe, it had 100,000 miles. It's got over 230 now. And those at 100K, those were the original shocks. And these shocks, the rough country ones, have right around 130,000 miles on them, which is, I mean, excellent, especially for towing and doing all that stuff. I towed coast to coast. So I towed from Jersey to Cali, and then back from Jersey down to Texas, where I am now. So this kit has seen all kinds of environments, from streets, dirt roads, trails. When I had the old tire setup, I actually took it off-road a little more. So, but now, like it basically goes through driveways, small trails with a little trailer to haul stuff. It doesn't tow a camper anymore. But overall, like I said, 6 years. This kit was $260 free shipping. It took about 2 hours to install, 3 hours, right around there, and no issues. So if there's any questions about buying this kit, it's definitely worth the money. It's $260. You get a nice look. You can fit bigger tires. And like I said, 6 years. So a lot of people don't keep their vehicles that long, but I have no plans on upgrading this kit. I like the way it is. I like the way it rides. The Tahoe is still very functional. It's mainly my DD right now. So I put a lot of miles on this thing, and just having the smaller kit helps, you know, for like daily driving and fuel mileage and stuff. So yeah, I hope this helps. One thing some people do ask is if you can go higher, and you actually can. You can crank the torsion bars, but then it puts your front axles at a weird angle, and I didn't really want any. I didn't want any binding. I don't want to have to end up having to replace anything or just mess up the truck, you know, taking it too high. And right now it sits pretty even. So yeah, if anybody has any questions about this kit, I mean, feel free to let me know. Drop it in the comments. I'll answer any questions you have. Like I said, it's a torsion keys in the front, and then it's like a small spacer, like a polyurethane spacer that sits on top of the spring in the back. And like I said, 6 years, no problems. The shocks have been great. So if there's any questions, just drop them below and I'll answer them and help you out the best way I can.